How to reverse video in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to reverse video in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. So here you can see that this is the video that I want to reverse. So first you have to import a video, click this plus and add it to the track, and then choose the video. Now you simply have to copy this video over here. Just right click on the video and click copy, and then you have to just paste it ahead. I'm going to just paste it over here, and then you have to just bring it down and just adjust it over here. Once done, you have to choose this video, and then here you can see that you have this reverse option. Choose this reverse option, and then you have to wait for Capcut to reverse the clip. It might take a little time for longer clips, so be patient. So here you can see that the video has been reversed. So that's the process that you can follow to reverse the video in Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.